Today, I want to talk a little bit about how to overcome artist block. Hello everyone, my name is Mike Svob and welcome to my channel. I've been an artist and a teacher for over 30 years and I decided to start this channel to help you become a better artist. If you stay with me on this channel, I will answer your questions on a weekly basis about how to become that better artist. Artist block is a common term that artists use for when they get into a place where nothing happens, nothing's working, all their ideas seem to go out the window, everything goes to H in a handbasket, right? Nothing works. One thing I've found is that every artist goes through this at some point in their career. And you'll hear artists say, well, this is a good period of my career, or, critics will be talking about a certain artist. They'll say they were really good until, and then they got good again, and then something happened. Anyway, artists look at it as artist block, and it just means nothing's working for you as an artist. And sometimes it's a judgment thing about yourself. You're thinking that your work sucks, or your work's bad, your work's not good, and you're getting too close to it. You're looking at it too personally, and other times it really is bad. Sometimes you just think it's bad, sometimes it really is bad. So one of the things that helps with this is to talk to other people about what you're doing and get a sense from them about whether what you're doing is good or not. That's one of the things I'll do. Another thing that I'll do is I will go back and relearn or restudy some of the things I've done. Why did that work? What was I doing right? Why did those ideas work out? And I will go back and relearn them all. I will actually go back through my notes or books or things I've written and figure out, oh, that's why I do it that way. And that is a good idea and it works. So sometimes it's just a matter of you run off the rails and you got to get yourself back on the rails. And the last thing about it is the sense of enjoyment. I've talked a little bit about that. It's keeping the thing fun. If it's not fun, it's not fun. Nobody wants to do it. So you have to somehow keep a sense of fun or happiness or whatever you want to call it in your work, and that'll keep you from getting down about your work and running into the so-called dreaded artist block. The last thing I want to say about this is I've ran into a lot of artists who, have told me, who are professional artists, I was starting out, they said, well, I never have artist block. But what I've found out over the years is every artist goes through it, and if you haven't had it yet, just wait, you'll have it. It'll come, and what you want to be able to do is understand that there will come an end to the block, you work your way through it, and you'll get over it. But until that happens, good for you, keep it up, and have fun painting. I hope you found this information useful. Now, I have a handout called How to Fix Your Painting. And you can get it by clicking on the link below. Thank you for watching.